my God. Thank you, Liam, who actually played my father, like 10 years ago. I know. Oh my God, I just want to thank IFTA, of course, the Tudors for making my life so easy for the past 3 years. I loved every second of it. Morgan O'Sullivan, me dad, Johnny, you know. Johnny Rees-Mars. You have to give him a round of applause, apparently. I've loved being Princess Mary so much. I mean, who doesn't want to be a princess, right? I'd like to thank my sister, who's my date tonight. And just a special thanks to my mum and my dad, who are not here tonight, but who have given up absolutely everything to travel around the world with me to help make my life so easy so that I can pursue acting as much as I want to. I really owe them everything, and I probably dedicate this award to them. I'm so proud to accept this award here in my hometown, and I can't believe I get to bring this home. Thank you. I can't believe it. I had my shoes off. I did not think I was going to win. I'm so thrilled.